Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Microsoft Dynamics 365 records using audit history step by step clearly. To restore Microsoft Dynamics 365 records using audit history, start by logging into your Microsoft Dynamics 365 account. Navigate to the main dashboard of your application. Locate the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on the settings icon to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Audit History. In the Audit History section, search for the record you want to restore. You can filter the results based on various criteria such as date or record type. Once you've found the specific record, click on it to view detailed information. Review the changes made to the record, including who made the changes and when. Identify the version of the record that you wish to restore. Once you have selected the correct version, look for the Restore option. Click on the Restore button to initiate the restoration process. A confirmation prompt may appear, asking you to verify the restoration. Confirm the action to proceed with the restoration. After the process completes, a notification will indicate that the restoration was successful. To verify the restoration, navigate back to the original record. Check that the record reflects the desired version of the data. If necessary, repeat the process for any additional records that need restoration. Finally, review the overall audit history to ensure all changes are recorded accurately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.